Pros of owning stocks, and let's talk about some of the cons of owning stocks compared to real estate because this is worth mentioning. The first pro is that it can be much more volatile than actually owning real estate. The market is more volatile, so in the short term, you might actually see a lot of volatility, and if you can't stomach that volatility, then actually owning stocks might not be the best thing for you. And with that being said, the second con here is that if you're too overactive of a trader and you actually make bad decisions back to back to back to back, you could lose quite a bit of money in the stock market. The temptation to make a bunch of trades while being invested in the stock market is always going to be there, and especially if you get into options, that's also a little bit risky. So if you don't know what you're doing, you could get into hot water pretty quickly. The third con of owning real estate is that it's not very tax advantageous. With owning stocks, you usually have to pay short-term capital gains rates or long-term capital gains rates whenever you sell a stock for profit, and those rates can actually vary from 0% to 15% to all the way up to 37% depending on your income tax bracket. Versus in real estate, you can actually take tax deductions on the interest payments that you owe on your mortgage. So that's actually one of the pros of owning real estate, and we're going to talk about all the